Hi, my name is Michael McBurney. I'm an IT trainer specializing in the legal industry. And today what we're going to be discussing is conditional formatting with a formula. You might be thinking, why would I ever want to do something like this? Well, let's say you received employee information from the client. It has 100, maybe 1,000 employees inside of an Excel spreadsheet. And really all you want to do is just identify every single employee that has 25 years or 25 years more of service, like with a highlighter, like you would do on a printout. Well, conditional formatting with a formula can do that for you very effectively and efficiently. And the best part is it's really simple to do. Let me show you how it's done. All right, on the very top left-hand corner of the screen, you're going to notice that there's a button flashing. It says data file. You can actually download this data and do this exercise with me. My videos are fully interactive, so please enjoy. With the spreadsheet open, I'd like you to click on cell A2. Now, what we need to do is tell Microsoft Excel exactly where we're going to find this employee information. It's pretty clear, right? So we have to define the range. So I'm going to select cell A2, drag all the way to column J, and all the way down to the very bottom of the data range. Now, I know there's multiple different ways to do this, but I have to take in consideration the different platforms that could be doing this. So I just really keep it simple. On the right-hand side, you're going to see the scroll bar. We're going to scroll up to the very top, being very, very careful that we do not lose the highlight. Now I'm going to go over to the Home tab, to the Styles group, and Conditional Formatting. I'm going to select the third option from the bottom, which says New Rule. Under Select a Rule Type, we're going to use a formula to determine which cells to format. So I'm going to click on this. You'll notice that a range selector appears. I'm going to place my insertion point in it. Now we have to tell Excel where we're going to find this years of service. So it's very clear. You can see under column G, it says years of service. The client was very kind and provided this to us. You can see it's 25, 25, 18. It's years of service. So when I click on cell G2, first thing you're going to notice, the highlight doesn't go away. And it actually starts building a formula in the range selector. You can see $$G, $2. And what this means is these are absolutes, right? So it's saying absolutely look at column G, absolutely look at row 2. Now, what we wanted to do is actually look down the column, not at that cell. On your keyboard, I'm going to ask you to press F4. You notice the first time you press it, it automatically goes to the row. That's not what we're looking for. What we wanted to do is look down column G again. So I'm going to press F4. You can see now that there is a $sign just in front of the G, which means absolutely look down column G, starting at row 2. Now we have to provide a criteria. And I believe the scenario was we're trying to find every employee that has 25 years or 25 years more of service. So I'm going to use a greater than symbol and an equal sign, 25. So anything that's greater than or equal to 25. On the bottom right-hand corner of this dialog box, you're going to notice that there is a format button. So I'm going to click on this. Under the Font tab, if you're not there already, please click on it. And what I'm going to do is keep it really simple here. I'm just going to bold the text where that criteria becomes true, right? So anything that's 25 years or 25 years more of service is true. So I'm going to say it's bold. Then I'm going to click on the Fill tab. The reason I use a yellow highlight is because it's very common for people to use a yellow highlighter to go through their paperwork and highlight, important information. So I'm kind of simulating like we've got this thing printed out, right? So I'm going to select the yellow highlight and then I'm going to click OK. I hope it works. Let's see if it works. I'm going to click on OK again. And as you can see, it's gone through the entire data range and selected every single employee that matches that criteria of 25 years or 25 years more of service. It doesn't matter if it's 1,000 rows, 10,000 rows, or 100,000 rows. As long as that range has been defined at the beginning, it will find it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Take care and have a nice day.